Hello, my name is Abel Sanchez. In this lesson, we're going to be creating an HTML file. Let's go ahead and move to an empty file. I have a sample of one here. You can see that there's nothing within the file. Note also the path. I've created this file and placed it on my desktop, and I've called it hello.html. I'm going to be editing it in my text editor. Your machine, independent of operating system, will have a basic text editor. That's all you need to create this file. I'm going to go ahead and write into it. I'll say hello world. And I'm going to copy and paste that over and over and over. Now I'm going to go back to the browser. I'm going to reload that page. And note that the text is being displayed. There's no formatting. It's simply text. Now, the format of HTML pages is text with HTML syntax. So let's go ahead and start adding some HTML. This first tag tells the browser, hey, I am an HTML file. Note that the tags have symmetry. This one starts it, the second one ends it. The next tag I'm going to add is a body tag. This tells the browser this is where the body of the message or of the file begins. I'm then going to write again, hello world. We're going to go back to the browser and we're going to reload that file. Okay, now let's go ahead and give it some formatting. This is the tag for heading 1. This is going to tell the browser, hey, this is a heading, treat it differently. Let's go ahead and reload that. You can see there. And let's go back and add some text. In this case, in this instance, I'm going to write a paragraph. I'm going to say hello and welcome to this lesson. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close that tag. And I am going to go back to the browser and reload it. You can see there that it's starting to treat content differently. And these tags have started to be used for a great deal of different content being brought to the browser. Certainly pages have gotten very sophisticated and very rich as to their sophistication. But this is the basics, the introduction. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more things. I'm going to go ahead and add a header or a head to the document, and I'm going to go ahead and put within it a title. And I'm going to say welcome. Okay. Now if we go back to the browser, you'll note that let me move the browser just a little bit down so you can see. You'll note that the tab that you have here doesn't have a title. Now when I reload that page, if I did things correctly, it should say welcome. Yes, you can see it there, how that changed. I'm also going to go ahead and add an image. Note that this particular tag doesn't have symmetry in the sense that it doesn't have an ending tag. It simply opens and ends with that. Now the Chrome image that you saw on that first page is within the same directory, so I can access it directly. It's chrome.png. Again, if I did things correctly, I should go back and reload this page, and that image should show right away. Yep, there it is. So as you can see, this is a quick demonstration of the basics of an HTML file. We will use this enclosure, this text document, to introduce to you JavaScript, to introduce to you animations, exercises, and a great deal of content and computation. This is the basics of what these files are. Go ahead and play with it. You'll have fun. Try adding tags, try adding images, and experiment. So with that, I'd like to close and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.